We're checking out this house here, looking at the next project, possible project. Woo! 3,500 square feet. What in the world? Custom built home. No drywall. No insulation. Whoa. What happened here? Whoa, y'all check this out. The floors don't look bad, so I would say water damage, but I don't see that. Let's check out the wiring. See, the wiring looks good. I'm looking for signs of water damage, and I don't really see it right here. Tile in the kitchen. Whoa. 3,500 square feet custom home. This is the kitchen. Whoa. Man, what do you think about this house?
Well, Craig, I can tell you, when you look at shows and they talk about a house with good bones, this is definitely a house with good bones. The reason why I say that, you can see the bones in this house. Seems to be very well constructed. With a little work, a little tender care, I think it'll be a good property to invest in.
A little tender care?
A little bit.
Man, this needs a whole lot of loving care. Well, upon further investigation of this property, we went into the garage and we found some drywall. And my partner looked at it and said, I bet this is Chinese drywall. And sure enough, it had a stamp on it from a company that went out of business here in the Hampton Roads area for putting up Chinese drywall. Chinese drywall was produced with a product that emits a hydrogen sulfide gas, which is acidic and it reacts to metals, especially brass and copper, plumbing, air conditioned pipes. The chemical reaction actually turns the copper into black, so which is why that natural gas pipe is black. And also show some pictures of some electrical systems in the AC system, which also has black coils. So this is a definitely telltale sign of Chinese drywall. If you're looking to purchase a home, look for these things. And also if you're looking to do a flip, definitely look for these. This has been another tip from the Tiny Flipper. Please like my Facebook group and YouTube channel. Thank you.